Caitlin, why yesterday sucks for you?
From the beginning.
From the beginning, from first waking up.
Well, when I woke up this morning, my teeth smelled. My breath, I could taste it, you know. And I wanted
Your
to go,
breath, your teeth.
and I wanted to go back to sleep, right? Because I was really tired, because I couldn't fall asleep last night. But because I had to take a shower. So I took a shower, and for some reason the water wouldn't get hot. And I had it all the way up, but
You had a cold shower too.
But she was like the first one taking a shower. I was the last.
I was the first person that took a shower. Anyway, so then I woke up, and I was going to make the extra sweet potatoes. I didn't feel like it. I'm hungry right now. I regret it. I regret it. I was going to wear this really cute outfit. You know, I had a zebra tank top, and then I was going to wear a black cardigan. Jennifer's wearing the cardigan, so
Where's Jennifer? I like that's okay.
I don't have anything else.
You don't like that one.
I got something thrown at me.
By who?
Grandpa.
He wouldn't do that because he has manners.
Caitlin.
Those are new boots?
Yes.
Caitlin, what's it on your desk?
Thank you.
So,
Then
like that one.
I got ready, and
Cup holders for her
um,
and then
then we got here, and we were bored, and for some reason all this stuff's happening. I'm really not worried about it. I don't care. But I got cup holders for my car because my car is ghetto. It doesn't have cup holders. I could be in Crystal Lake right now, meeting the other side of Aaron's family, but I'm not because I'm here. But I get to go home and make a big cupcake. I'm pretty excited about that.
Can we do black and white still?